What's going on, Urban Soul Kitchen? This is Dwayne Morris, and I'm here currently in the Asian market, and I'm here. I've already purchased some pork belly. I thought I was going to cook it on the grill, but actually I've decided I want to cook it in the oven because I ain't got time to be making no fire, getting the coals together. This is pork belly here. I don't know if that's a good price or not. It is expensive, very expensive. Can y'all hear me? Can you hear me? So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to cook the pork belly on the smoker, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook it in the stove. So I'm going to do a Korean version of it where you get the rice vinegar, soy sauce, brown sugar, a couple other ingredients I can't remember right now. But I'm going to get those ingredients and cook it in the oven. That should be pretty good. Now I'm here at the Asian market. I like the Asian market and the Mexican market because they have a larger variety of meats as well as ingredients. What's up, Jennifer Scott? Let me show you some of the meats they have. You're not going to find in Walmart or any of the other grocery stores. And if you live in a large city, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And Birmingham isn't what I consider a large city. Let me turn it around here. What's up, Corthell and Julian and Carol? Right. These are some of the beef meat choices. You got the beef banana shank. What grocery store do you see that in? Then we have beef neck bones. Now, some people tell me I don't know how true this is, but some people tell me that's good as the oxtail or the cow tail. I like oxtails, but I actually think they are overpriced, and it's too much trouble to go through to get what you get. Pork neck bones. What is this right here? Beef tendon double. Any of y'all ever ate that? I'll show you just some of the things they have here. Here we have pork leg bone. My God. Who eats that? What do you do with that? Pork feet, the hind feet. What else we have here? Pork tongue. Any of y'all eat pork tongue? Never tried that. Look at this, pork spare. It looks like the spine, it's me. And this is what I got right here. Pork bellies. So many things you can do for pork belly. Let me take you to the freezer section. Well, let's look at this right quick. Any of y'all eat that? Chicken feet? That's the chicken feet. Here's the pork leg meat. I guess this is shank. And look right here. Will you find this in a regular grocery store? Duck. Anybody on here like duck? A fresh duck. Duck tails. Well, that's duck wings. Anybody like duck? Well, what's that? Duck feet? Goodness. Let me turn this. Duck feet with bone. So there are different ways you can eat that. I don't know what that is. It doesn't even have a label on it. Let's look in the freezer section. Anybody like wascally wabbit? This is rabbit right here. So many choices to choose from. Oh my God. All right. This is the infamous oxtail right here. Look at that. And you could use this as a weapon. What'd you say? Use this as a baseball bat. Oxtail. Let me see how much is it per pound. Well, this one's $30.33. $10.99 a pound. This is oxtail. Plenty of oxtail here. Beef feet. Let's go on a little farther down here. See, you're not gonna find that's a duck neck right there. Duck is pretty expensive. $8.35 for that. What else we got here? Y'all ever seen those black chickens? Hold on a minute, I'm gonna show you a black chicken. This is a black chicken right here. Look at that. If I'm not mistaken, what I saw on the internet is right, they lay black eggs too. That's a black chicken. Let's see what the price is on the black chicken. It's so expensive, it don't even have a price on it. Okay, any of y'all like quails? 6 quails in there. See, you won't find this in a regular grocery store. Here's a whole chicken right here with the feet. Foghorn leghorn. Chicken hawks. All right, let's go down to the seafood section. See what they got. Now, I'm not even showing you half of what they sell as far as meat. And this right here is the beef. That's goat meat right there. Yeah, goat meat. Let's look at the seafood section. All right, yeah. We got squid. I don't know what that is. Some kind of snails. Escargot, whatever they call them. Shrimp. Some people call them. Oysters. Okay, oysters. And you got your clams, blood clams, steamer clams, sea snails, cherry stone clam, moon snail. Look at that, they're alive. Look at that. Woo. My goodness. Whatever it is, that's big. Razor clam. So you have a large variety of clam, and then we have your traditional, they call these baby lobster crawfish. Never heard of that. If y'all saying something, I can't see it, so I don't know. Blue crabs. Hey, while I'm on here, let me put my website on here. You need some spices. Go over and get you some spices tonight. Spices for your seafood, your chicken. Hold on a minute. There you go. Go over there and get you some spices. All right, then we got the fish on the ice right here.
Yeah. And clean this one. Make 3 pieces. Throw this one and this one. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces.
Nothing like Atlanta or any of the major markets, but hey, it's enough to deal with. The ugly catfish, and I'm an ugly catfish. Yeah, the crabs are alive. All the crabs and clams, all that stuff is alive. Now all this, these have probably been, well, of course, they've been frozen. But like I said, they got more choices in these markets than we do in Walmart and different places. But I'm in here to get some stuff. I came to get some rice vinegar, and something else that slips my mind right now. But I got a question for you guys. I like Asian markets and I like Mexican markets. But one question I have about the Mexican markets is this. Do they charge Mexicans a special rate and then charge Americans a different rate at the register? Because whenever I go into the Mexican market, their prices are like 4 times higher than what you pay in Walmart. And it just don't seem right. Some kind of reason. I wonder, do they have 2 price scales, one for Mexicans and one for Americans? And I mean, it's amazing how much they charge in those markets. Now the Asian market, their things are a little higher, but they're not as exuberant as the Mexican market. So if anybody knows anything about that, let me know. Let me turn over so y'all enough of seeing me. I see people leaving. Glory. Let me turn back to the products. Then I'm gonna get out of here and off here. Let's go to the produce section. Show you what they got in produce. Hey. Okay, variety of eggs here. The eggs are more expensive than you pay in Walmart. You got quail eggs. Anybody ever eat quail eggs? How do you eat them? Got your turnips, rutabagas, black rutabagas, white rutabagas, green rutabagas. Anybody getting inspired? Look at that. All this fresh, larger variety. See, some of the cities you guys live in, you have Asian markets and Mexican markets like this. But you have to venture out of what you're used to and expand your choices. Look at that. Green onions, regular green onions, and then bigger green onions. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go up here to the other produce. That's a different, is that the way cauliflower really looks? Whatever, it's a different type of cauliflower than what I'm used to. You got your green sprouts. I used to like them on salads, sandwiches. No, I'm moving fast. Look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful. Eggplants, different variety. Julian, what I do is I get online for what I'm not familiar with, get on YouTube. You can find videos on pretty much anything. I don't see any Scotch bonnets. I don't know what the deal is with Scotch bonnets. Habaneros are everywhere, but it's hard to find. I've never found a Scotch bonnet in any store. Now these right here, I'm raising some of these. Heirloom tomatoes. Tomatoes are exceptional. In Walmart, their tomatoes, I went the other day, were like $2 and some cents. So you got a cheaper price tomato here. Anybody know about green tomatoes? I'm also raising bell peppers. These things are very, look at that. $2.90 a pound, $1.80 a pound, $2.90 a pound. It's expensive. Very expensive. But they are definitely. No, they don't have ghost peppers in here. I didn't see any. I'll go back through there and look, but I didn't see any. Jalapeno. Like those. Look at that. Then you got the different variety of oranges. You're not going to find this in Walmart. If you have an Asian market or a Mexican market in your city, go. Go. Now, these are key limes right here. These aren't the limes you're going to look at in comparison to my hand size. This is what key lime pie is made with. It's not regular limes that you buy. These are key limes. This is the size of them. Blood orange. Then you got the different. Hey, good. How are you doing? Then you got the different varieties of peaches and nectarines. And different variety of apples. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, man. You got your aloe, $1.20 each. Now these are the regular limes that most of us are used to. See the difference? Now they have a different, distinct flavor. Both of them are different from each other. All right, there we go. Look at that dragon fruit. White meat dragon fruit. Yellow meat dragon fruit. You see that in the Walmart? Then you have a variety of bananas. Now in the Mexican market, they had a larger variety than these here. So this right here adds to your dining experience when you are able to integrate things that people are not usually used to, but it takes some experimenting. It takes you taking some risks with your palate. Well, some things you may not like, but you'll never know until you try it. So I just wanted to share this experience. I'm in here picking up these items for this pork belly that I'm going to fix, and I just wanted to share this moment with the Urban Soul Kitchen. God bless you all. So glad to have you a part of the Urban Soul Kitchen, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I hope the rest of your weekend is the best of your weekend. All right, talk to you guys later, and have a wonderful evening. Amen.